Hey there, Nerf enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of toys and gadgets to bring you the latest and greatest reviews. Today, we're taking aim at something truly special, the Nerf Elite 2.0 Easter Egg Hunt Blaster. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me just say, if you're on the hunt for the best 3D printed Nerf gun out there, look no further. This blaster is not only fun and functional but also boasts a vibrant, springtime design that's perfect for Easter or any time of year. Let's break down what makes this blaster so excellent. First off, its spring-loaded action and easy pull-down priming handle make it a breeze to use, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Plus, it comes with 2 official Nerf Elite foam darts, so you're ready to start blasting right out of the box. But wait, there's more. Check out the fun scope design on top of the blaster. It's not just for looks, it actually helps with aiming, adding an extra layer of excitement to your Nerf battles. And loading and firing? Couldn't be simpler. Just follow the 3 easy steps: load, prime, and fire away. Now, let's talk size. This blaster may be compact, but don't let its small stature fool you. It packs a punch. And its lightweight design makes it perfect for including in holiday gift baskets for a delightful surprise that's sure to bring smiles. But hey, safety first.
Remember to always use eyewear when playing with Nerf blasters.
And keep in mind that small parts may be generated, so it's not suitable for children under 3 years old. So, whether you're gearing up for an epic Easter egg hunt or just looking for some springtime fun, the Nerf Elite 2.0 Easter Egg Hunt Blaster has you covered. With its colorful design, easy operation, and hours of entertainment, it's a must-have addition to any Nerf collection.
Well, that wraps up our review of the Nerf Elite 2.0 Easter Egg Hunt Blaster.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more toy reviews and gadget critiques.
Until next time, happy blasting!